Hello. Okay. Good afternoon, guys. Now we will learn some greetings. When we have to say hello someone, we use hello. Repeat. Hello. Okay. This is some greetings that we use, and after we have to say hello, we have to use good morning if we are in the morning, or depending if we are in the afternoon, we use good afternoon, or if we are in the night, we use good evening or good night. Good evening when is very is later. And repeat. Okay. Hello, good morning, and when we have to continue with the greetings is with the conversation, we use how are you, how are you, and what we have to say when someone asks us how are you, we have to say fine, thank you, hello, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. And the next question, the first question is, how are you? And we have to say, fine, thank you. And when we want to continue with the conversation, we use, what is your name? What is your name? Okay. What is your name? Okay. And I have to say, my name is Araceli. Okay. And after, when we finish our conversation, we have to say goodbye. This is the greetings that we have to say. Hello, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, and how are you? How are you? Fine, thank you. What is your name? My name is Araceli, my name is Claudia, my name is John. Okay, bye, goodbye. Now, we will learn some pronouns. For example, we know that about the nouns. Noun is he, she, it. I have some examples. He, she, it, when we are telling about something. Eat, play, eat, darling. And they. This is another pronoun, they, because there are two people. When there are more one people, we have to say they. Okay. When the first pronoun is I. He's telling that I am. Okay. They, again, and us. When in this case I am in this group, and I and you, we are us. Okay. And I have some examples about some pronouns. She is walking. She is walking. They are reading. They are reading. He is walking too. They are playing. She is playing. She is playing. He is in the yard. Okay. This is my jacket. This is my jacket. Okay, this is my jacket. They are singing. They are singing. He is saving money. His money. He's saving money. Okay. The girl is in front of the mirror. We have to say that this is imaging of the girl. She's her imaging. He's saving. My blouse. Okay. We have some pronouns. My blouse. Okay. Their your okay. Our. What is our? It's. This is it's. It's him. Her mirror. Okay. He's saving. Your name. His piano. Oh, your piano, my piano, his piano, her piano. Okay. Now, do you understand this? Okay. We will repeat. Her. Okay. His Hamlet. My piano. Their piano. Our piano. Its piano. Okay. Your piano. Your piano. Okay. Okay. Her, his, mine, their, your, our. Okay. We will finish here our class. We will continue with another thing.